Hi, it's Christmas Eve, and it's snowing, thank goodness. I'm heading over to Ryan Hayworth's, also known as Puppy Paws, and sliding sideways. Hopefully we have better luck. We spent the last 2 days searching for the perfect rail, which didn't exist. The thing about when you love this town as much as we do, it's not that cool to deface property anymore, because you know, when you just ruin a handrails paint job, it appreciates this city. But let's not talk about that. We're gonna go ride hard.
I'm stuck on the black rope.